Rim Country News brought to you by Christine Croak, your Rim Country real estate expert. And by Jake's Corner Bar and Grill, a historic stopping spot since 1916. On this Monday, January 4th, for Tano TV, K-Rim Radio News, and Global Trails Media, I'm Randy Roberson with your Rim Country News headlines. Well, Arizona health officials reported a big jump in coronavirus pandemic numbers yesterday, including a record daily high of more than 17,200 new confirmed cases, a number they say could be partially inflated by a lag in reporting during the holiday weekend. Just 7% of hospital beds were available statewide, and 61% of intensive care unit beds were occupied by 1,081 patients fighting the virus, according to the Arizona Department of Health Services. Department spokesman Steve Elliott told the Arizona Republic the jump in daily cases could be due to a reporting lag as well as the spread of the virus during Christmas gatherings. The single-day total of 17,234 new confirmed cases topped the previous daily record of 12,314 set back on December 8th. Arizona is among U.S. states with the highest numbers of coronavirus cases. The AZ Family Group of Phoenix television stations noted the more than 200,000 new cases COVID-19 reported in December was double the number of cases reported for the month of November. The statewide overall tally of known cases since the pandemic began was 556,384. The death toll stands at 9,061. The number of infections is thought to be higher than reported because many people have not been tested, and studies suggest people can be infected with the virus without feeling sick. The crush of COVID-19 patients has caused some Phoenix and Tucson area hospitals to suspend elective surgeries and turn away ambulance patients or transfers from other hospitals while still accepting walk-in patients needing emergency care. Hospital officials have discussed triage protocols that the state could order to decide which patients get access to limited resources. Well, here locally, the number of those who have died with COVID-19 continues to grow. Local physician Dr. Judy Hunt says there has been a need to help members of the public and medical staff go through the grieving process.
It's one of the things that we've heard from patients, and we've also ourselves have felt that because we have not been able to go through the grieving process of saying goodbye to people, that it's almost like they went away, that they disappeared. And there hasn't been any recognition of the pain and the loss that this happens. And I mean, this is among all of us as families, as friends. This is also us in the medical system and saying goodbye to people way far earlier than we ever wanted to. So we've been praying about it at the clinic. And what we're going to do is we're going to hang up stars on our building for the people in, we're going to just do Northern Gila County. And put the stars up. We're not putting any names up unless a family member wants to call the clinic, and we can put a first name on the star. But we're going to put the stars up and have them so that at night that they're lit up. And so we just remember we know who made stars. We know that God hurts, and as well as that the pain that we're feeling is not invisible. It's not heard. And so this is one of the things that the clinic, we really feel that we want families to know that we hurt with them.
Well, over this past holiday weekend, that did indeed happen. Bob and Lynn Vigil are seen here helping Dr. Judy Hunt hang stars at the Payson Christian Clinic for those that have died from COVID-19 here in Northern Gila County. Each star represents one person that we lost due to COVID-19. They all have painted on them they were all painted on them with glow-in-the-dark paint, so they'll be able to be seen 24 hours a day. Clinic staff say that if you have a family member that was a resident of Northern Gila County who died with COVID-19 and would like to either decorate their star or would like the staff there to write their name on the star, you're asked to contact the Payson Christian Clinic on Facebook or leave a phone message at the clinic by calling 928-468-2209. That clinic is located at 701 South Ponderosa Street, Suite D in Payson. Well, coming up in Rim Country weather, high pressure will bring dry, warm weather today. You can expect a slight cooling and breezy afternoon and windy conditions tomorrow. So how does the rest of your first week of January look? Well, your full 7-day forecast is coming up next. You're watching Rim Country News.
Jake's Corner Bar and Grill. It's not just a bar, it's a destination. Jake started out as an Arizona stage stop way back in 1916, and folks have been stopping here ever since. Jake's also has been famous as a popular stopping spot for travelers headed to Rim Country or Roosevelt Lake. But as more people discover this historic stop, more and more, it becomes the destination. It was even featured in the 2008 movie Jake's Corner and later featured at the Sedona Film Festival. Ice-cold beers from the tap, imported or specialty beers, a generously stocked full bar, and great food that keeps you wanting to come back again and again. Enjoy a game of pool inside or step out and enjoy the covered patio and outdoor bar with live entertainment and much more. We hope to see you soon at one of the most historic stopping spots in Arizona, Jake's Corner Bar and Grill. It's not just a bar, it's a destination.
Hi, reflecting on 2020, this year has presented challenges, devastation, and extraordinary circumstances that will forever change all of our lives. I am more than ever thankful and grateful for my loving family. Living in a community that supports and takes care of each other, the collaboration that happens with our small businesses and our non-profits are selfless, generous, and heartfelt. A special thanks to our town staff, the first responders who are dedicated to our community, and lastly, so grateful and thankful for my clients, personal referrals, new friendships, thankful for my assistant Sarah, my marketing team, title, mortgage companies, local and state realtors that I've had the privilege of working with. Wishing you all Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays. I appreciate you all from my heart. Many blessings. Stay safe for 2021.
Well, taking a look at Rim Country weather, satellite imagery shows clouds moving in from the west over the ridge centered over the Great Basin. Most of these clouds are evaporating due to subsidence ahead of the ridge. The ridge will continue to move east today, with a trough approaching to the north this evening. Expect increasing clouds today as the area of subsidence moves east and out of the area. An inactive cold front will move through the region Tuesday, bringing breezy northwest winds through the day and slightly cooler temperatures. Weak ridging on Wednesday will bring a return of seasonably warm weather and light winds. A dry zonal flow aloft Thursday and Friday will have periods of cloud and continued mild weather. Another trough passes to the north Saturday with a dry cold front moving across the region. From this frontal passage, northern Arizona will see temperatures drop 5 to 10 degrees Saturday and Sunday, with the cooler temperatures lasting into the following week. The current long-range outlook indicates continued zonal flow across the Pacific Ocean. That means no change in the weather pattern for northern Arizona at least through mid-January. Now, you can expect to have troughs passing to the north every few days with associated breezy northwest winds and no significant precipitation expected. Well, daytime highs in the greater Payson area today should be right around 62 degrees, with our low tonight dropping to near 34. Not a lot of change is expected throughout the week, at least until Saturday, when our highs will fall back in to the low 50s. Up on top of the rim today, they're expecting a high right around 55 degrees with a low tonight of 27. And our neighbors to the south in Tonto Basin, your high today should be rather nice, near 67 degrees with a low tonight of 39. And that's what's happening around Rim Country. For Tonto TV, K-Rim Radio News, and Global Trails Media, I'm Randy Roberson. Make it a great Monday.